Let's kick off the summer by kicking back. The Better Days Club, founded by music artist James Favron, is teaming up with the Cotton Factory to host a summer music festival this Saturday. He joins us now on the couch. Thanks for joining us, James.
Thanks for having me.
It's so great to have you here to talk about this festival. Tell us about the event.
Yeah, so basically, well, the Cotton Factory wanted to do some cool new things in their space, and I like to put on cool shows. So we decided, we were talking about this earlier, I love putting on a good show with like lights and all those kind of things, but you don't get to do that a lot with summer festivals.
Yeah,
but I love the like games and activities and food trucks and all that sort of stuff. So because Cotton Factory is so good or so big, it worked out that we could take a summer festival idea and do it as a show inside. So that's what we're doing.
Well, it's great because summer festivals sometimes get ruined by the weather.
That's a thing too.
So this is perfect venue for it. Okay, what is, for people that don't know, the Better Days Club? So
the Better Days Club is a lifestyle fashion brand that came out of a song that I released called Better Days. A couple years ago, another local Hamilton artist, LT the Monk, and we did a song called Better Days together. And you know, everybody wants you know, artist merchandise and stuff. Of course. And I wasn't like, I just didn't know what to do. I didn't want to do like basic, you know,
you didn't want like your face on a t-shirt?
Well, yeah, I guess not. So I started just making like one-off pieces where I was taking the branding and vinyl printing it on. I think the first piece I did was a Leafs jersey. Oh, cool. And I like did it across the bottom panel. Yeah. And so I started making like customized pieces. These are like so any like pants that I make have the X's on the knees.
That's cool.
And the logo on the back of the leg. Sometimes I'll put like lyrics or like a little thing. So I just started making these like prototype pieces. And making social media content about it, and people really started liking it. So then
really well.
I did a fashion show in Supercrawl last year, and now it's just become a thing that I'm making embroidered shirts because I like the quality of embroidery over vinyl or screen printing. And yeah, it's a brand, it's a collaborative community brand.
I feel like it's a vibe.
Yeah, that's more of what it is than anything.
It seems like a total vibe. I love it. Who's going to be performing?
So we have.
Are you?
I'm headlining the show.
Of course you are.
It's my first like big hour-long set.
That's awesome.
We have like some extra singers. We have some extra instruments I'm really excited about. And then I wanted to mix Toronto and Hamilton because I'm Toronto born and raised. And I've been in Hamilton for a few years and I love both cities so much. So I have a young pop artist from Toronto named Loren Aronov who's coming out to do a set. A like island rock artist named Sagz the Dreamer who's coming out, and then local Hamilton boys Rexford Drive, they're going to be doing a set, and then I'm going to close off the night with a big hour-long party.
That is so much fun. I love that. Lots of activities.
Yes.
Like you could bring the whole family.
Bring the family, yeah. We got some games. We got cornhole and basketball and stuff.
What's a party without cornhole?
I know.
Like really.
Yeah. And then we're doing an on-the-spot print shop. So like these little vinyl pieces.
Cool.
Bring a piece of clothes with you, and we'll heat press it right on the spot.
We'll have some
fabric markers. You can like do your own thing and with the branding.
Kids will love that.
Yes, so we'll do that. Merch shop, Real Fruity Ice Cream, Hamilton-based ice cream maker will be there serving up ice cream.
Lots of snacks, lots of food, corn dogs, the whole bit.
And then Edie Bruins, who's a local photographer and creator, she's also going to be there doing Polaroid photography. So you can buy she'll take a picture of you and your friends or whatever, and then get to take home that Polaroid with you. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay, so I know you're busy doing the festival. Real quick, 20 seconds, what else do you have going on?
I'm also doing Supercrawl this year.
Amazing.
So I will be on the main stage at Supercrawl on Saturday, and we'll do a Better Days Club fashion show at Supercrawl as well. So Supercrawl is going to be a really big weekend, and that's kind of the next thing. And there's also a very cool partnership I'm doing for the performance at that. Another Hamilton organization.
Leaving us with a little tease here. You're going to have to come back. Okay, tickets, quick. Where can we get them?
Eventbrite. Go on my Instagram page. That's like the best place. Find me on Instagram, James Favron. Everything I do lives on there.
Amazing.
Or you can search up the Better Days Summer Kickback Party on Eventbrite.
All right. Well, thanks so much for being here. Sounds like a lot of fun. Good luck Saturday.
Thank you.